Welcome back to another update from Spotify Camp Nou. Barcelona's historic stadium is transforming into one of the most advanced football venues in the world. This iconic arena is entering a new era of innovation. From its vast steel framework to the return of Barcelona's signature red and blue facade, every corner reflects precision, progress, and pride. Let's take a closer look at how this legendary ground is being reshaped into a modern masterpiece. At the north goal, crews are completing the third cantilever section. Hollow core slabs are being positioned and prepared for the final concrete pour, while scaffolding is being removed to reveal the clean and defined structure beneath. The transformation is now clearly visible. What was once a steel framework is turning into a recognizable part of the new Camp Nou. One of the most striking and emotional changes this week is happening on the facade. After months of structural preparation, the first llamas, the vertical exterior panels, are finally being installed. The familiar red and blue tones of Barcelona are now beginning to appear, bringing color, identity, and life to the massive concrete structure. Under daylight, the panels shimmer and reflect the city's movement. As evening falls, they shift to deeper shades, echoing the club's spirit in every reflection. On the lateral stands, crews are laying hollow core slabs and strengthening the concrete layers. Every section is being aligned with careful precision, ensuring balance and stability across the stand. Each passing week adds new definition. Step by step, the skeleton of the stadium becomes more complete. Beneath the stands, major progress continues on the underground parking area. New walls, pillars, and support beams are now in place, forming the foundation that will carry the entire weight of the upper stands. Electric wiring and ventilation systems are also being installed, preparing the area for future access routes and maintenance zones. When complete, it will hold hundreds of vehicles and serve as a vital support system. In the corner areas, workers are installing steel reinforcement bars and connecting plates that tie together the upper ring of the roof. Every beam, every weld adding strength and shape to the massive circular form. Painters are coating the steel with protective layers, giving it a fresh metallic finish that glimmers under the Catalan sun. At the main stand, or tribuna, progress remains steady. The framework for the new glass facade is nearly complete, and prefabricated slabs are closing the final gaps. Its modern, open design will give fans wider views and easier access, combining elegance with comfort in every detail. The third tier is steadily taking shape across the stadium. Workers are carefully positioning slabs and structural elements, gradually defining the upper levels. Each piece contributes to the overall silhouette as the tier rises and begins to take its final form, showcasing the ongoing transformation of the arena. Just like the stadium, the team itself is rebuilding its foundation. Players like Fermín López, Ferran Torres, and Eric Garcia, once seen as backups, are now proving themselves with consistency and drive. Their determination mirrors the same patience and resilience shaping the new Camp Nou. When Barcelona finally returns home, it won't just be a return. It will be a statement of rebirth. That's it for this week's update from Global Megabuilds. Each section of the stadium is now showing its final form, from the glowing facade to the powerful structure rising above it. After more than 2 years of dedication, the finish line is finally near. If you enjoyed following this update and want to stay connected with all the latest progress at Spotify Camp Nou, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.